right, Caden, say hi. All right, so me and Caden, we're gonna go and hike this, I think it's Waterfall Falls. We parked here at the park and we're gonna walk upriver for a little bit and see how long this goes. This is the very beginning. We start at the river and apparently there's a really beautiful beautiful waterfall at the top of the cave. So I'll keep you guys posted along the way.
Want to go across the river?
Let's go upriver. Let's go left.
Go over there so it's not easy to walk.
Okay. I'll follow you. Had our fair share of fun with the playing, and now we're gonna head out. Maybe been here about an hour, but it only took us like maybe 30 minutes to walk back here, so not too bad. Not too bad. All right, let's head back. Let's get our bag right there. Bye bye, waterfall. We'll be back.
We'll be back.